Today I will discuss how to download different types of map on images from Bhuvan, the Indian geo platform maintained by the ISRO. Just you need to go for this website, that is Bhuvan bhuvan.nrsc.gov.in. Just put it in your search bar of Chrome, then you can get this window or this home page of geoportal. Then after appearing the home page, you can get various types of options, that is visualization and free data download. You can visualize Bhuvan 2D, Bhuvan 3D. You can download different types of data from the Bhuvan archive. You can get different types of data from the climate and environment. You can get different types of map and data from the thematic service. You can get map data from the disaster management support service, ocean service, and you can create a map of GIS. You can go through these different application sectors like agriculture, forestry, e-governance, water, tourism, urban, rural, etc. The special application is there, that is data discovery, decision support dashboard, hydrological product, image gallery, the OSCAT 3D, online shapefile creation, Shubhida, like that. Then we can go through this website one by one. Then I am clicking on Bhuvan 2D. What will happen? The Bhuvan 2D tools or 2D window will appear in front of you after clicking on this option. It will take some time for loading the whole system. After loading has been done, you can get the whole map or the whole platform in front of you clearly visible. You can take it as Google Earth. It is a Bhuvan platform like as Google Earth. Here is several options, that is the map. Then you can base admin, you can base hydrology, then the satellite, hybrid, terrain, and more. If you need to take it in satellite view, then you can click it and you will get the satellite view of this 2D Bhuvan applications. Then you can get the hybrid view also by clicking in the hybrid option, that is the on type of physiographic map by itself. You can zoom in or zoom out from this plus and minus options. Now we will go for the Bhuvan 3D. We can get the Bhuvan 3D map, like you just click on that and you can get this. Bhuvan 3D map is loading here. Wait for some time. Here is some tools, 3D models, layers, forum, etc. You can use it and you can visualize the 3D map of Bhuvan, but you need to log in the for proper action of this website or proper action of this application. You need to log in through to the way of this portal to find out your desired application in this portal. Now, if you go to the thematic service, then you can find this window. There are various options there. You just select, that is the land use, land cover, that is the urban land use, flood hazard, flood annual layers, water body, urban sprawl, like that. If you go to statistical, you can go to analysis, you can metadata, overlay, get data. If you go for, say, I will go for geomorphology of 2005 and 6, select the state. I will go for West Bengal, geomorphological map of West Bengal. Then you need to go for the district. Then Purulia, I will select Purulia, then view. That is the index or legend of this map. That is the geomorphological map of Purulia is appearing here. It is loading. After complete, after loading, when the loading is complete, then you can get the whole map in different colors. That is, loading is done. Then that is the map of Purulia. By this process, you can get every district of India, every state of India, different types of geomorphological map, land use, land cover map, wasteland map, glacial lake map, geomorphological map, lineament map, flood hazard, water bodies, urban sprawl, etc. through this Bhuvan thematic service. That is the geomorphological map of West Bengal. That is the that is the full form of Bhuvan 3D. That is one type of Google Earth application. You can zoom it and go through your desired place, your locations, what you actually want to locate or want to search. But it needs some time. When you are a first time user, it will loading, and the system will load. After that, you can it will visualize clearly from your computer side. Now you can go through disaster management, you can go through ocean service. Now you can go to international disasters, hydrological products. Now I will go for hydrological product. Click on hydrological products. What types of hydrological product is available? I will search for that. Through this, you can get different types of hydrological. That is the surface runoff, that is the surface soil moisture, that is the evaporation. You just click on and you can surface soil moisture. Just click on and go for download. Then you can download it after logging. Now, the most important, there are various options there. You can search for that, you can go for that, and you can explore for that. But the most important search window is that is the Open Data Archive. That is popular for different types of satellite image, download of different types of satellite image. Now I will go for that. Then you need to click on that a window is appearing. From this window, there is option, that is the satellite sensor, theme product, program project. I will go for satellite sensors, for satellite image data. There are different types of satellite sensor data is available in this website, in the in the boundary of India. That is the OceanSat 2, ResourceSat 1, that is the list 3 data, most popular list 3 data, hyperspectral imagery, Cartosat, Cartodem, and the ResourceSat 2 AWIFS data. So you can go through your required one. Now I will show how can I get the list 3 data from this website. Click on the list 3 data. Now one select area windows appear. That is you need to put the that long of your desired location, or you can put the map sheet map number, you can put the tile option, you can put the map sheet number, then you need to go for map sheet. So this box, this yellow box appearing in map of India, on map of India, is the grid number. How can you get your desired location? You just you just zoom it around, and from this window that is called information, that is I window, that is called identifier, identify the information. For identification of tiles, you need to take the help of this window, that is the identify window. You just click on one tiles for getting the information of these tiles, that is the Gangasagar, Sagardip. I will go for this tiles, so I will go for this one and click on this one. That is the tile ID F45P14. That is very important, F45P14. That a bounding box. If I go through this bounding box, then you need to put the information of this bounding box. So I will go for tile ID. Now this is F45. Different tiles has different IDs. You can show, you can see that way. That is I'm just moving the cursor and the tile ID is changing. So I'll go for this F45 I/12. F45 I/12. Then after putting my tile ID I require, I can get those options. Those data are available. That is the date of pass. That is the past data is available. That is of 20 October 2009, and the recent data is 6 January 2018. There are various data available. You need to download that as your requirement, as your temporal requirement. So there is option metadata. You can go through this metadata for different getting the information about the image, and you can view the data, and you can go through the download option. So I will first go to the metadata. Click on metadata. You can get the whole tile information of the data information is behind this area. What is the spheroid datum? What is the data product? What is the date of pass of sensor? What is the sensor name? What is the sensor name of the satellite? What is the path? What is the row? Acquisition date, date of pass, file format, number of bands, etc. Whatever you need, the information you need, you can get this from every image metadata. Now the view option, you can by clicking this view option, you can visualize your data, what you actually want to take. That is the FCC of your required data. Just you can check from this option, that is called the visualize option, the view. Now after that, when you are sure about which image is required and which one is would you like to download, then you go for the download option. Click on download. Then you will appear one windows appear, that is called you need a login before downloading data. So before download you need to log in the website. If you are new user, so then you need to build a user ID by new user option. This new user, you need to put some options put your information, and then you need to fix your username and password. Then you need to have approval from the Bhuvan authority. Then when you will go get the authority approval from the authority, you will get the permanent username and password. Then you can log in through this website, and you can get automatically you can get this data by clicking the download options. So another option is there, that is Cartodem. That is the digital elevation model data of by ISRO. That's the Cartodem. I will go for Cartodem all versions. Then the Cartodem is, you just need to you need to the tile ID for download or visualize everything. You just go for tile ID, zoom in, different type of tiles there. You just need to click, and same process you need to follow. You need to put here the tile ID, and you can get the image, and you can get the download option, you can get the visualize option, and you can get your metadata options. Through this you can get these types of DEM.